and I'm feeling so grateful that God is giving me the confidence to put myself out there. Wow, so grateful, so incredibly grateful. Mm. When someone shares themselves with the world, their story, their pain, their struggles in a form of video, book, or whatever, it's very generous. Sharing your art, your story with the world is very generous. So if someone is doing that and you're hating on that person, do not do that. Do not do that. You don't want to have bad karma, right? When someone is sharing their story, if you want to listen, be grateful for it, and say thank you. Like, wow, someone is sharing themselves with the world, with you. Okay, imagine if no one was sharing their songs with you, their art with you, no one is sharing their movies with you. Your life would suck. Okay, so be thankful for other people's creations. And if you want to bring something high vibrational into your life, check out my magic paintings. Link is in the bio. When you keep my magic paintings around, so much good energy starts to flow into your life. Plus, your confidence, your aura, there is certain kind of power you will feel within yourself when you keep my magic painting around. If you want to be successful, you gotta start making mistakes, and you gotta start making them faster than anybody else can. Like, you should be like, oh, I already made that mistake and I have learned my lesson from it. And the part of making mistake is giving yourself permission to do something new. Either it's gonna work out, or you're gonna learn something better or something new about yourself. And remember, there is no failure at all. All of it, everything is leading you to your highest destination, your highest success, your highest potential. Even the things that you feel like, oh my god, why I did that, it was a blast, it was a biggest mishap that happened in my life. Trust the process. The dots will connect. Those experiences that you feel like, oh my god, if I go through this, it will be the end of my life. No, it's you entering new life. It is only through trying something new, through a lot of fuck ups and mistakes, do you reach your destination. Okay, so start moving, and start moving fast. You got an idea, act on it. Not working out, you will learn a new way, better way. You will have new realization, or new interest will develop. Keep going. Do not wallow, or do not let failure stop you, or sadness or pain, something. Become very, very, very good at feeling your feelings and processing them, because when you can feel the sadness, it will not control you, it will not hijack your speed or your momentum. People who are good at feeling their feelings instead of numbing them are very resilient. And when you develop emotional intelligence like that, oh my god, wow. One of the things that being emotionally intelligent does to you, it is that you will be able to do the hard things. Even if you feel like, okay, if I follow this idea and I fail, and because of which I will feel the sadness, and sadness may lead me to drinking more or sleeping more or things like that. This will be the normal person. But the people who are emotionally intelligent, they will be like, okay, if I go through this and I may fail, but I'm not going to make it mean about anything about me. I'm not going to take it personal. I'm on to next thing. Okay, so yeah, work towards becoming emotionally intelligent.